Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video here on the Wound Up Watch Reviews channel. And in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and giving you my first impressions of this new release from Zelos. It's the Thresher GMT. And before we get into it, I just wanted to mention that the brand has lent me this watch for review. And so I'm going to be unboxing it and giving you my first impressions in this video. And then in a future video, I'm going to make a full-on review video of this watch. And then I'm going to send it back to Zelos. And before we get into the box, I just wanted to show you the different variations of the watch. So first of all, you have the coal black color variant, which is the one that this is. And then you have a blue one with a matte blue, kind of a marine blue dial. And then you have this one, which is very cool. It's called the Hunter Green. A green dial, kind of a faded dial with gilt or gold hands, which looks quite cool as well. Then you have a mother of pearl variant, which is currently sold out. And then you have a meteorite dial, which is $100 more expensive, and that's also sold out. So today we are taking a look at the coal black variant of this watch. And let's just take a look at what I am wearing today. Today I'm wearing the Squale 1521. 500 meters of water resistance with a fully luminous dial that I made a review video on a couple of months ago, so check that out if you are interested. Now let's get into this unboxing. So first of all, it comes in this cardboard packaging. And there you have the Zelos box. This is not that easy to get out. Very tightly packed in here. There we go. All right. There we go. We have a wooden box, which you get with most watches from this brand I've seen. Now, mind you, this is the first time that I am taking a look at a Zelos watch. And open that up. And sure enough, you get a leather watch roll, which looks quite nice. Feels nice too. Great. All right, open this one up. Okay, so what do we have here? Well, first of all, I noticed that they have also sent me a rubber strap or a silicone strap with a tropic style. Looks quite nice. I'm definitely going to be trying this one on. I'm not sure if they give you this with every order or if Zelos has just decided to send this along to me just for me to show you guys how this looks. But yeah, it looks quite nice. And then, yeah, you have your warranty card. A very cool one, actually. I do like this design. It's sort of a copper. It's probably not copper, but it looks like copper, and it is a metal of some sort. Very nice. Date July 2020, Zelos, and the serial number of this watch is 045. It's a 1-year limited warranty, which is fine, but at this price point I would have expected at least 2 years. So that's something that they should improve on in the future, I think. And then we have the watch here. Okay, cool. So let's zoom in on the watch and talk about the watch. Okay, and so here's the watch. This is my first time taking a look at a watch from this brand. first impressions, it feels very solidly built. It's quite heavy, but of course I'm going to take out a few links. The links, they actually seem to be screwed links, which is very cool. Solid machined clasp, nice, with a micro adjusting feature. That's always great to see. It's quite thick, but then again, this is a diving watch with 500 meters of water resistance, and it's supposed to be a chunky piece. And as for the dial, you've got a very, very interesting pattern here. And it looks like a sandwich dial, something that you would see from a brand like Panerai. That's quite cool. It's a GMT, of course, so you have another hour hand right there, and that's manually adjustable. You have a diving bezel, which has both the markers for the minutes and also the markers for the GMT time on it, which looks quite cool. You also have those markers, of course, here on the dial. You have a blacked out date wheel, which is perfect. Glad that they did that and did not use black text and a white background, which is perfect. A very, very kind of a futuristic design on the case, very angular. And the bracelet too is quite angular. And the entire watch is entirely brushed, which I like. This is a tool watch after all. 500 meters of water resistance. And the crown here is a screw down crown. And I'm not sure, but that crown might actually be loomed. It sort of looks like loom to me, but I'm not entirely sure. I'll just tell you that in the review video if it is a loomed crown or not. And we have a see-through case back. This looks quite nice. Actually, very nice. I'm quite impressed with this. So we have sort of a rose gold designed rotor here with an engraving or a printing of the world map, which looks perfect and fits this GMT watch very well. Seems to be sort of a high grade movement, so it's probably top grade. I do love these movements. So this is the ETA 2892-A2, which is one of my favorite movements, or at least this is a derivative of the 2892. It is the ETA 2893, which is basically the same movement. It just has a GMT hand, which makes it the 2893 instead of the 2892. Very nice movement. I will tell you how this performs in the review video. And yeah, now let's get this watch on the wrist and I'll show you how it wears on my 19.5 centimeter wrist. And there we go. It actually wears quite nicely. It's a 42 millimeter watch in diameter. It's 15 millimeters thick, which looks fine because it is a tool watch after all. It has a lug-to-lug distance of right around 50 millimeters, which is the sweet spot for many people. The bracelet looks to be and feels to be quite comfortable. I of course have to shorten the bracelet, but in the review video I will show you, or I will tell you how I think this watch feels overall. So yeah, what do you guys think about this watch? Please do feel free to let me know in the comment section down below. Leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And yeah, with that said, I'll catch you in the review video of this Zelos Thresher GMT watch. And have a great day and stay safe everyone, and yeah, bye bye.